First thing they said was that if a student fails in any written or oral, he will have to give that written or oral. He cannot give it next month, but he will have to give it after 1 month. So he will have 1 month to study and then he will give it after 1 month. Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. Just recently I saw a video by Captain Sanjay Parashar, who is the MD of VR Maritime. So I will be posting this video first because I have taken his permission. And then later on, after his video, I am going to explain in detail what has happened. So watch this video first by Captain Sanjay Parashar. And he is very happy with this thing, and I think so it is a very, very important step by the DG Shipping as well.
Namaskar, myself Captain Sanjay Parashar, and today is 2nd July 2024. From my smile you can make out कि आज कुछ ना कुछ बड़ी बात है. तो मैं आज डीजी शिपिंग का धन्यवाद करता हूँ. स्टार सिस्टम जो कि नॉटिकल एग्जामिनेशन में था, डीजी शिपिंग ने उसको एबॉलिश कर दिया. सो बहुत बहुत बधाई सारे सी फेयर्स को. एंड दिस इज टुडे द नॉटिकल सर्कुलर नंबर 16 ऑफ 2024 एंड 1st जुलाई. अब ये बैकग्राउंड में क्या लिखा है कि भैया 40% ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स वर एब्सेंट इन रिटन एंड 20% इन ओरल्स. तो वो क्या है कि ये जो फॉस्मा मासा इंसा जो लोग बोलते थे ना कि ये स्टार सिस्टम चाहिए, तो हमने तो बड़ी दम से आवाज़ उठाई. तो बहुत लोगों का इसमें योगदान है. एंड दिस सर्कुलर इज इशूड बाय कैप्टन रवि सिंह सिकरवाल. सो धन्यवाद द डीजी शिपिंग. एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट उसमें आज़ाद सर और हमारे कैप्टन अनीश जोसफ वगैरह सब इन्वॉल्व थे. तो मैं सबका धन्यवाद करता हूँ. 3 इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. सो स्टार सिस्टम खत्म, 2012 का सर्कुलर बंद. Congratulations. Second thing what they have said is all seafarers after their certificate of competency preparatory course they must appear for all exams. वो भी बंद कर दिया. Now you can appear the way you want to appear. And if you have failed in oral, then you have to have 1 month gap. Then you can reappear for your orals. Then of course section D, which is again very important. हाँ यहाँ पर लेकर आओ किरण. ये उन्होंने लिखा, however candidates who fail in the written examination of any function will not be eligible to book for the oral exam. तो भैया ठीक से तैयारी करो, ये सर्कुलर ढंग से पढ़ लो. इट इज एक्चुअली एंटी विंग ब्रांच सर्कुलर नंबर 16 of 2024. जय हिंद, जय नाविक.
So guys, after watching this video now, let us see what is happening. So in 2012, DD Shipping took out a circular for the nautical side, that is for the deck officers, and it said कि भैया lot of students are failing regularly. Competency में दिक्कत हो रही है, navigation function में students are failing. So what will we do? We will ensure that some corrective action has to be taken. Maybe these students are not doing their preparatory course well, maybe they are not studying well on ship, maybe their training is not proper. Something has to be done. So first thing they said was that if a student fails in any written or oral, he will have to give that written or oral. He cannot give it next month, but he will have to give it after 1 month. So he will have 1 month to study and then he will give it after 1 month. Now guys, time is money on board ship. So basically if I failed once, I cannot give that exam. Say I failed in June, I cannot give that exam in July. I have to give in August. So 1 month more gone, 1 month salary gone, losing lakhs of money. So that is why preparing in a good way and passing exams in the first attempt is very, very important. But having said that, they said bhaiya after 1 month. Second thing they said was that see, the percentage of passing for a particular exam is 70% or 60% in that particular subject. But if a student is getting less than 60%, that means he has failed. But what if a student is getting less than 50%? That means this gentleman has not performed well at all. He is very poor in his studies, no matter whatever the concern is. So in that case, we will give him a star mark. Now this star mark means that this gentleman will have to do the complete preparatory course again. And if he is doing from the same center from which he had done earlier, the center cannot ask for the fees again, and they can increase the number of seats so that even the centers do not lose money, because there are fixed number of seats by DG Shipping. But he will have to do the course again. Now doing the course again means again maybe 2 months gone and then again applying for the exam. So we are losing time, and along with that time we are losing lots of money, and that is in lakhs. So now this star system came into force. In some cases they said चलो ये तो written में था, if it is in orals and if somebody has performed very well, then if it is related to tar book or watch keeping or even due to passage planning, in some case they can even mark that this gentleman has to go for additional sea time. Only then he can give exams. Arey baap. So now this was a circular in 2012, and due to which what happened was that a lot of students just stopped giving exams. अरे यार अगर फेल हो गया, स्टार आ गया तो आई हैव टू डू अगेन, आई विल बी लूजिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. सो दे सेड स्टार नहीं चाहिए, फेल हो जाए कोई दिक्कत नहीं, स्टार नहीं चाहिए. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस स्टार fear coming in, just in 2024 they have realized, and the circular has come just on 1st July 2024, and that says that 40% of candidates are absent from the written examinations and 20% are absent from oral examinations. Now the students out of fear have stopped giving their exams only. अरे यार प्रिपरेशन नहीं हुई, preparation in that we have got a lot to lose. Who will do the preparatory course again, staying in Mumbai, and there were so many things. So then after seeing that this absenteeism is the cause of is the fear, and this is because of the star ranking, so now this latest circular has said that we will abolish that star ranking, so that the at least the absenteeism reduces, और star mark को हटा दिया गया है. So as of now what has happened is that now, earlier also what you used to do was, if you're a nautical side guy, you will have to book all your orals and writtens in the first attempt itself, unlike in engine side where you can book 3 writtens, 2 orals, 1 written as per your choice. So this time they said even the deck officers nautical side can also book their exams as per their will, कि okay, I prepared this function very well, I will give this written and this oral this time. Having said that, if you fail, then 1 month gap, and then only you can reappear for that particular exam. There is just one thing that they have added is, suppose you fail in that written exam, then you cannot book that oral exam till the time you have cleared that written exam. So out here only this thing, this is a catch out here, कि भैया you have to prepare really well for returns so that you clear them, and then oral should not be a problem. So guys, prepare hard, prepare well, make sure that your returns are done very well. Previous year questions are very very important. And अभी तो मैं Merchant Navy decoded platform पे I can't help you match with the content that I've got, like I've got for engineers, whether MEO class for package, MEO class and package. But माता रानी चाह तो कम आने वाले टाइम में मे बी दिस प्रॉब्लम विल ऑल्सो बी सॉर्टेड. थैंक यू वेरी मच. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.